In this video, we're going to cover how to install the CASPLIT utility. The purpose of the CASPLIT utility is to reduce the time it takes to FTP very large files to CA from mainframe ZOS systems. Instead of sending one large file, CASPLIT will first compress the file, then split it into smaller segments and FTP multiple segments concurrently. This results in better use of bandwidth and a shorter overall transmission time. CASPLIT is a ZOS mainframe TSO ISPF panel-driven utility. It will generate JCL to compress the file with AMA TERS, split the file into smaller segments, and then transmit the segments concurrently using FTP. CASPLIT is distributed as a zip file named casplit.zip. Customers can download it from supportca.com in their freeware utilities toolbox section of the download center. You first need to sign on to supportca.com. The download center is on the left side of the page. Click on it. Then scroll down the page until you see the freeware utilities toolbox section. Scroll down further until you see CASPLIT and download it. After you download the zip file, you need to extract the contents of it on your PC. There are 5 files in the zip. Install instructions are in the README text and documentation in CASPLIT PDF. Now I'm going to unzip the file that I downloaded. If we look in the folder extracted, we see the 5 files. The exec file contains the rex.xx. The ISP-mlib contains ISPF messages. The ISP-plib contains ISPF panels. The PDF file contains the documentation, and the README has the install instructions. The next step is to upload the 3 XMIT files to TSO. They need to be uploaded as binary and into a sequential file with a record size of 80 and record format fixed block. You can use any FTP program to upload the files to the mainframe. I will use the Windows FTP command line. Use the FTP command and the host name. I will use TSO1. Then enter your user ID and password. Now set the local directory where the files to upload are located using the lcd command. Use the bin command to specify binary transfers. Use the literal command to send side options to the FTP server. Here we're going to specify a logical record length of 80 and record format fixed blocked. A block size of 0 will let MVS decide the best block size. Now turn off prompt so we can send multiple files at a time. Use the input command to send all files ending in XMIT. And that's it, the files are now uploaded to the mainframe. The XMIT files are in TSO transmit compressed format. You need to use the TSO receive command against each file to extract the contents. The receive command will extract the members in the file into a PDS. The format of the receive command is receive in DS name and the name of the input file. It will then prompt you for the restore parameters. You can just press enter to take the defaults or reply with the output dataset name. It will allocate the file for you. To do the receive, go to ISPF option 6. First we'll receive the exec file. Specify the XMIT file you uploaded in the inDSName parameter. Then press enter and it will prompt you for restore parameters. At this stage you can just press enter to take the defaults. I will use the DSName parameter to specify the output file name. And then use the volume parameter to specify a permanent disk pack. Press enter and it will extract the members to the PDS. It will tell you what members it extracted. You have to do the same for the other two XMIT files. The ISPMLive file with ISPF messages, and the ISPF PLive with ISPF panels. If we go to option 3.4, we'll see the PDS files that were created. This file contains all the regs execs. This file contains the ISPF messages. And here are the ISPF panels. The members starting with H are help panels. So now we have all the files we need to execute CASPLIT. There are two methods to execute CASPLIT. The first method is to modify the logon proc. Add the CASPLIT ISP PLive, ISP MLive and exec files to the TSO logon proc, and then invoke the CASPLIT regs exec. You can see here a TSO logon proc with the changes already made. The CASPLIT exec file has to be concatenated to the sysproc DD statement. The CASPLIT ISP PLive file has to be concatenated to the ISP PLive DD statement. And the CASPLIT ISP MLive file is concatenated to the ISP MLive DD statement. After making these changes, you have to log on again and then go to ISPF option 6 and invoke CASPLIT. Type CASPLIT and press enter. The main panel will then be displayed. The second method of executing CASPLIT doesn't require modification of the TSO logon proc. Use the CASPL regs exec instead. It uses libdef commands to allocate the files dynamically. Before you use it, you have to edit the CASPL exec member in the CASPLIT exec file and change the dataset name prefixes. So let's edit the CASPL exec. The exec is delivered with the dataset name prefix of ESS. We need to change the prefix to the prefix we used when we received the files, and then save the member. Now we can go to ISPF option 6 and execute CASPL. The CASPLIT panel is displayed. That's the end of the installation video. Thank you for watching.